Good morning guys, such a beautiful morning here in JMAG's Bisaya. Naata karon sa San Pascual, Ubay, and we just woke up and look at our view. And this is our tent, by the way. This is where we slept, and look at that background. Wala siya wallpaper, but this is it.
So this is what you call the baby dam, and during bagyong Odette nawadaan sila ba 80,000 pesos worth of tilapia kay nakabuhi tanan gyud.
Here in my back, that's the Labawan Hills or mountain, right? That's where the Alicia Panoramic Park is. And Josette's looking at it. So when we slept, guys, grabe, the skies were clear. We saw a lot of stars, as in so nice. I think we can paste the pictures here, even the video. It was just so nice. You can see the stars and then just pure nature here. You can hear a lot of birds now. So what we'll do today, we'll be checking out the Sapa, maybe also swim and take a bath, and then go to the dam and everything. So we'll also check the chicken, which I'm very excited. Like most of the views we're getting are for the chicken tours that we did. So we'll check out native chicken farming, shamu chicken, and stuff like that. So later. Guys, so we're gonna get breakfast. So we went from that hill to there. So
Past my 4 here
yeah,
for breakfast.
breakfast, and we passed by the rice fields and tall grass. Yeah. So guys, you ever wonder, that's our tent though. Let's zoom in. That's where we came from. Babay tent. Diba, takot ka sa kalabaw? Tumakbo ka nga, diba? Lulu, the carabao.
Okay lang yan, walang problema.
Natakot si Josette.
So after Josette's Carabao scare, 45 minutes lang naglakaw, tulo ka bungtod atong gilabyan, nilagbas sa gitas pikas board para lang mangapi.
Hey guys, if you can see the house over there, let's zoom in real quick. Dili na siya solar panel. Epekto na siya sa Odette, guys. Oh. Pero solar jud siya kay nilagbas ang ang sun sa balay, no? Ka-repair pa sila.
Sa atong paglakaw nakalabay ta sa tindahan o grabe yung pangumpra ni Josette. So yes, mora ni tindahan na mo nakitaan sa Dibok Palibot. So muna we took that chance na malit yun mi mura yung nangumprag pang grocery.
Walang mabili. Saping papakita mo yung mga
So muna may abot na ta sa balay, ukab gyapon nilang atop tungod sa bagyong Odette, guys. Kasi pa sila repair, pero di ni siya basta-basta nga balay, kay Bahay Kubo in real life ni siya, guys. Ubay version. Here we go. Of course, di mawala ang saging, kay bahalag saging, basta kay labing nasa tay lobe para sa butong fresh buko juice or kung need ka gata. Unya dili sad pwede mawala ang talong, kay mora ni masayon-sayon nga sudan, pwede tortang talong, pwede ang adobo, basta kay kinaham gini siya sa kadaghanan, guys. Unya syempre dili pwede mawala ang ampalaya para sa mga bitter dira, mga walay love life, pwede ni siya gisahon, pwede kilawon, pero super healthy gini siya, guys. And then parehas sa gugma mumumunta anya nakita nato ang pinya. In fact naan siya sa palibot sa balay, daghan silang tanom, nasay sili. Need yun ni kay pagkamahala na ra ba sa sili ron niya ang sunod unsa man ni rambutan. So muna ang mga bunga ng lupad sad pag bagyo. So gamit sad kayo ning sunod talbos ng kamote o ganas. Maayo jud kayo utanon. Unya nasad tay patola, pwede pulis, pwede sad vegetable. Pero I think sikwa man siguro ni sa Bisaya. Basta kay mo na to. Pit na tamahuman, and ang pang last but not the least, my favorite magtanom yung taan ni Puhon kape, your own coffee. How cool is that? And if you look closer, I think na siya yung mga bunga, guys. And kung mahinog na siya, kanon na siya. And then of course, the beans, you process it into coffee. So that's your Bahay Kubo tour. And this is where we will have our breakfast and pamainit.
Many of you guys are searching YouTube about native chicken farming. Here we are. Just your typical bukid setup. You have your native chickens running around. Magura siya gatuwa. Unsa gituwa ni? And then you see Josette trying to catch one. Ang ganda ng buhay bukid. And these are, like, how many chickens yata to?
Konti na lang ito. Mga nasa mga 15 na lang siguro.
15 chickens. And then, it's a very good source of food, income. Why? Because wala kang pera, magbebenta ka lang ng chicken, right? And then
Wala kang ulam.
wala kang ulam. Oo, magkakatay ka. Kaya nang ginawa namin kahapon. Thanks to Ugpo family for sponsoring our dinner last night with these chickens. We're trying to catch chickens. Kung saan gito, ana?
Kuan takop nga katong gipakaon baboy nagkuha na po sa gipakaon.
Oh, so very low cost. So that's your native chicken. Kani nindot ni kay humo kay ni kuan. Halang-halang, ngom. So very low cost. Pila kay gasto ani no? Kung mag-start kay ginani na setup, like this is the setup, right? With na yung mga tangkal.
Kani nga set up.
Oh, gamay na kayo.
Kuan
Usa man ni kamalig.
kamalig nga mga silbing hangout area rin
Oh.
dito with the chickens.
Hang out with the chickens.
We're just 7 to 9K.
Oh,
You can start up to 16 breeders. 16 breeders like three roosters and the rest are hens. Look at the laying eggs.
oh, so there's eggs here. Let's check it out. Oh, the breeders. So there you go. Let's just do it
Mother hen.
real nice. Mother hen high. And they're laying eggs. So how many eggs siya typically in one sitting?
In one setting, most of the time na siya kuan. Most of the time na siya from 8 to 12 depende sa hens.
Unsay mo yun, Day?
Na sa kaitlog des babaw.
Ha? Sabi? Tanaw ko na tabi? Nasilaw? Naput siya din na sa ilaw. Just under the bed. So, kaya pala mahal sa Bohol, guys. Kasi, yung chicken, doon lang pinapaitlog under the master's bedroom. Ano ka ba? Diba, Josette? So, now you know. As we always say, kuyawan no. The other one has 4 eggs and the other one has
9 eggs.
Whoa! Let's show the eggs real quick. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, this must be vloggable. And the pig says no.
This is where my native chicken before. We got net all over, the free-range net. And then we have about 70 heads.
70 ka manok namatay sa typhoon Odette or typhoon Rai?
Yeah. And then we just
How much would that cost? Pila man na?
like it's actually all sellable already. So that's about 20 to 30K.
30,000 just because of typhoon Odette. Ay nako. Grabe ang impact, no? Sayang. Kailak man sa tag-popcorn na na.
Anet lang ito. So this blocked my trail now. We're gonna make another.
Yeah, okay. So, nata sa bukid, tindahan sa tubangan, pero look at how ingenious the Filipinos are. Dire. Right? Tindahan sa babaw. Native chicken farm here. So we have naray net, and then there's lots of chickens. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, very low cost, guys. So nice. Hi, guys. So, Gisette, what do you have in here? Do you know what's that?
Corn rice.
Corn rice,
And then
yellow grade shirt,
chicken.
and then sabaw na manok.
Corn.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Kuan nga gipabreed ang white sa aw ang kuan ba gipabreed sa white.
Yeah. Gito lang yung nag-test pero sa Mindanao.
Uy, mahilo na atong kuan.
Oh.
Kanunon.
Wala, ang dami ng rice. Ang sarap.
First time mo kumain ng rice na yellow corn?
May rice na yellow
Kuan sa
corn.
puti.
Oo.
Ah.
Oh. And then,
Chicken, native chicken. Sarap
so
ng
how's
chicken,
how's
sarap
the
ng
corn?
sabaw.
Na ginawang rice?
Wala rin siyang rice, pero medyo ano lang, magaspang.
Mm.
Pero masarap.